guys how weird here. This chopper has been circling up and around for a couple minutes now. It just flew right above me twice. No joke. Reason once it comes back over. Here it comes. Where's that shit? There it is. What the hell? It's just going in loops around this area. Am I paranoid or what? Here it is again. It's just coming around, bro. Here it's coming right above me. Directly above me. Dude. What on earth is going on? I need to get the fuck out of here.